2019 Acura TLX. This is the radiator fan. Driver's side. This fan cools down your car when you're driving. This one comes on and off as you drive to keep the to keep the temperature of the car at a normal operating range. This fan will run when you get the air conditioning. It's like the helper fan. Also, again, two number 10s at the top here, and unlike this side, it slide up. This is gonna have this hose in the way, but if you push it back, like this, slide it up over the nipples it has, it will slide over to the left. But there's also a plug down there, and unplugged, so it should come out. And then you can kind of move the hose up a little this way and sneak it out this way. In order to take this fan off, you're gonna have to take the condenser fan off. You saw how we snuck it out to the left. That's the way to do it. If you have to replace the radiator, it's a different story. You can, I'm trying to not disturb the coolant. So that's how this fan comes off. Again, there's another plug down here, just like the condenser. You're gonna have to unplug it. When I get the radiator out of the car, I'll show you guys how they go on. It'll make more sense. But if you're just wondering like how that came off, these little guys right here has little legs that the radiator, this thing slides into. So you gotta make sure when you're going back in, you pull this up, drop this in, slide it in first. Make sure it's happy before you tighten these two 10s at the top, which are down here. Unplugging this is very similar to this. You just push back on the release clip and slide. That's all there is to it. It's not that hard. Don't let the dealership and people rip you off. Fan assemblies are not that expensive either. So that's how you replace a radiator fan assembly on a 2019 TLX. I think 15 up, they're all the same.